In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Import LDraw add-on to render this scene in 4 minutes. Before we begin, we need to install the add-on first. I have placed 2 links in the description below. The first link is to download the add-on, and the second link is for the LDR model that will be used in this tutorial. Please follow the instructions on the add-on download page to install the add-on. Let's import an LDR file. Our own LDR scenes can be created by using a 3D application called LDCAD. It will take some time to open a new scene. Let's select the ground plane and type S to scale. The render camera angle is already set. I'll set the render sample rate to 32, and the viewport sample to 5. Let's work on the ground shader. I'll share the fully zoomed node shortly. Here are the zoomed nodes. I'll use the sky texture. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.